Hi, 大家好. Welcome to Culture Tater Tots, where we explore culture through story time, crafts, and play. Are you ready to go? Let's go. Have you heard of Dragon Boat Festival? Well, Dragon Boat Festival is a traditional Chinese holiday that is usually celebrated around May or June. On the lunar calendar, it is the 5th day of the 5th month. Dragon Boat Festival is also known as 端午节. Can you say that? 端午节. So what do we do to celebrate Dragon Boat Festival? Well, families like to watch dragon boat racing. They eat 粽子. They put together incense pouches. They balance an egg. And we tell the story about a poet named Qu Yuan. Do you know that story? Qu Yuan, the story behind Dragon Boat Festival. So let's go way back. A little bit more. Yeah, that's right. Yes, right there. A little bit over 2,000 years ago, there was a poet named Qu Yuan. He was a kind and wise man. He loved his country very much and always wanted to make people's lives better. But unfortunately, not everyone agreed with Qu Yuan, and they tricked the king to stop listening to the advice of Qu Yuan. Qu Yuan ended up leaving the palace and went to live on the countryside. Even when all this happened, he still loved his country very, very much. And one day, when he heard that his country was in trouble, he was just heartbroken. He was sad and he went and sat by the river. From there, no one saw him again. The villagers were very worried about him, so they raced out on boats, banging on drums, trying to look for Qu Yuan left and right. They even wrapped rice in bamboo leaves and dropping them into the river, hoping that he can find food. So ever since then, to remember this kind man, we celebrate Dragon Boat Festival by racing on dragon boats and wrapping and eating 粽子. Now let's talk about 粽子. What is a 粽子? A 粽子 is a sticky rice dumpling that we wrap in long bamboo leaves. After we wrap them, we hang them, we steam them, and then we get to enjoy them. We eat 粽子 during Dragon Boat Festival, but you can eat it all year round. So yummy. Come take a look at my family making 粽子 on Dragon Boat Festival. You start off with bamboo leaves and you wrap it in a cone shape, kind of like an ice cream cone. You fill it with some rice and add whatever toppings you like. My family likes to add chestnut, pork belly, mushroom, and a salted egg yolk. You top it off with some rice, and here's the tricky part. You have to fold the leaf in nice and tight, just like so. You take a string and you wrap it very, very tightly. And that is how my family makes a 粽子. 粽子 can be sweet or savory. What is your favorite? Another exciting part of Dragon Boat Festival is dragon boat racing. Have you seen a dragon boat race before? It is so exciting. So in a dragon boat, you have different jobs. The first person is the drummer. He keeps the beat of how fast everyone rows. You have 20 paddlers in the middle with paddling as strong as they can be. And last, you have the steers person in the back who helps steer the direction of the boat, ensuring that we go straight and fast as possible. Would you like to paddle in a dragon boat one day? Because I sure would. It looks like so much fun. We talked a lot about Dragon Boat Festival, so I thought, why don't we make one? So what you need for this craft is a small paper plate, or you can cut about this size circle out. You need a pair of scissors, you need a glue stick, and you need some markers to color with. And make sure you print this out. The link is in the captions because we're going to need this for our dragon boat. First, I'm going to color in the dragon's head. I'm going to use the green marker. 我要用绿色的马克笔，绿色来画它的眼睛，还有它的嘴巴。Then I'm going to use the color blue to color in his eyebrows. 我要用蓝色的马克笔来画它的眉毛。Just like that. Then I'm going to use the color orange to color in his hair. 我要用橘色的马克笔来画他的头发。Then I'm going to use red for his nose. 我要用红色画他的鼻子，红色。I'm going to finish off with the color purple. 最后我要用紫色，紫色。I'm going to color the 粽子 green, 绿色，绿色。Coloring his paddle blue, 蓝色，蓝色。And finally, his face is gonna be an orange and his hands are gonna be purple. Ta-da! We are ready for the next step, which is folding the paper plate in half. And you're gonna press down just like that so it's nice and folded. You're gonna draw the dragon's body. And you can be like me and draw some scales. Just like this in the color green. I'm gonna draw in some waves so that it looks like it's racing on the river. Ta-da! Now we're gonna cut the sheet that you colored carefully around the two figures. 我要用剪刀来剪，剪剪剪，剪剪剪， just like that. Cut, cut, cut. Almost there. We're gonna cut the 粽子. Cut, cut, cut. 剪剪剪. Ta-da! Take your glue stick and glue the pieces onto your plate. The dragon's head will go on the front of the boat, and the 粽子 will go right behind, sitting on the dragon's back, just like that. Now press, press, press. Make sure you press down. And now we're ready. So now you have your very own dragon boat. Make a few and try to race them at home. Thank you for spending Dragon Boat Festival with me. It was so much fun learning about the holiday and sharing this experience with you. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more ways for us to explore culture through play. I'll see you next time. 再见!